Hi guys, how are you today? This is Alex here. I'm going to show you how to put on RJ45 plugs. I know there's a lot of YouTube videos out there already showing you how to do it. I felt I'm a new guy and I want to teach people, or even maybe show somebody a new trick or two. So guys, please, if you like the video, just like it and subscribe it. If not, it's okay, just leave a comment if you think I've left anything out. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you have your tools. You have to have your tools, excuse me. Okay, first of all, I have my clipping tool here. Then I have my two green boots. Then I have my RJ45 connectors, two of them. I only have two chances. Okay, first of all, you're gonna take your RJ45. Excuse me. You're gonna take your crimping tool and you're gonna clean the cable. Just take it off nicely. Okay, I went and cleaned the cable. Just cleaning the 4 pairs. I'm twisting them. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and do the back one also. As you can see, this is the difference between the one that is already cut in and the one that I have untwisted. I'm going to show you a paper now that I print out. This is the different ways you can connect your RJ45 plugs. I'm going to use the A option. I like that one and I use it a lot. Okay, then you go and untwist your colors. As you can see, there is very long twisted cables here. So we're gonna cut it nicely to make sure it's gonna fit in the RJ45 plug. As you can see here, the size of it. You must always remember to make it nicely fit in and make sure there's no wire showing, otherwise it's just not nice. I went ahead and I cut the wires, and then you press as hard as you can. Just careful not to break the cable or to twist it. But always remember, make sure that the wires you have inserted in the RJ45 is touching the front side, otherwise your connection is not always, but sometimes it's not going to work nicely. It's going to disconnect or connect. Then you just take your RJ45 crimper. Actually it's a network crimper, but okay. Then you take your cable that you want to crimp. Then you insert it into the crimper. Sometimes I've made the habit of it to press against something, and I'm going to use the table now to press against, and I'm just holding the cable at the back side to make sure it's not falling out or anything like that. And you just press it and make sure it's touching the front side. Show it nicely. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but anyway, because it's a short cable, I did not put on the boot first, but I'm going to put it on now because I'm afraid I would forget it. I'm going to put on this one, the other side, because it's going to work for the front one. As you can see here, it's a nice firm fit, and there's no cables going out, and you can see if I twist it like this, it's a firm fit. Okay, this one is already cleaned. Then you go ahead and insert your boot. And then you just go again and untwist the 4 pairs. I'm going to go ahead and make it again. I'll show you and paste the picture of the color code you can use in the video also, just to make sure you guys can remember it. Guys, now you have a patch cable, and you can see the boot is already on both sides, and it looks nicely. Thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe. This is the first time I've created a tutorial. Please watch and subscribe it. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.